Have you tried pre-mades for your volume sets but hated how artificial they looked? Hi guys, I'm John Mark Reyes and I'm a certified lash artist and esthetician here in Los Angeles, California. Let me introduce you to Endure Lash, a professional lash extension line by Endure Beauty. The old, chunky, flat and heavy pre-mades are long gone. Endure Lash's pre-made volume fans are lightweight, hair-like, and easy to work with. Because the fans are not connected at the base, you'll get the most natural volume set in half the time. Notice there's no stem or any unnecessary bulk on the base, making these fans light as a feather. This allows the fan to wrap around the natural lash, giving excellent retention. The Endure Lash Professional Adhesive is specifically formulated to work with their fans, giving them a 5 to 7 week retention. And it's effective in all ranges of humidity. Yes, you heard that right. Can you say VAVA volume? Add some major oomph to your eyes with Endure Lash Pro Mixed Volume Lash Extensions.